lang ako ng apat na king.
Okay, sure.
Nasaan?
So, ayun, apat na king.
Okay.
Top
Kita na.
Okay, kita na.
Okay, so gawin natin first king. Okay, king of hearts. Okay. Third king. Fourth king. So meron tayong 4 kings, lagay muna natin dyan. Ngayon hanap lang ako dito ng etong card na to, emergency card natin yan. Ngayon lagay natin siya dito sa loob, face down. Okay, so siya lang yung naka face down sa deck, diba?
Okay.
So ngayon uy, binamagic ako kasi okay.
Sure, I'm watching.
Sige, ngayon sabihin mo pag stop na.
Okay.
Kung saan ka stop, yun yung card mo.
Stop.
Alin ba?
The Six of Spades.
Six of Spades.
Yes.
Okay. So, Six of Spades yung card mo. Lagay mo na natin dito.
Sure.
Ganyan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 kings.
Yes.
Lagay natin sa gitna yung Six of Spades. So, first king, second king, Six of Spades, third king, fourth king. Lagay natin Six of Spades sa loob. Watch. Six of Spades mo, snap ako. First king, second king.
Oh,
third
come
king.
on. Where's my card?
Kasi nga, di ba meron tayong emergency card? So, yung emergency card natin, pwede na natin gamitin yun yan para pag
Oh, what? Oh.
yung Six of Spades mo nawala,
Oh.
meron tayong pamalit.
Oh, come on.
What the fuck?
How did you do that?
Ala,
What
madali
the
lang.
fuck?